Hello all. Hello. Um, let's look today on how to look at the tour operator that we have in a certain region. Well, to start, we are in the administration area. Okay, and let's select show services. Okay. Back to the administration area, show tour operators. Okay, here are the tour operators we have in our back office. Okay, but this one is in Lisbon, this one is in Porto, Lisbon, Algarve, Albufeira, etc. That's their headquarters. But let's look at the ones that offer tours in Lisbon. Okay, let's search for show services, and we could look for a certain country and the ones that offer services in one country or in a certain region. Okay, here we will select Lisbon, submit, and okay, this changes, but this list here are all the services that exist in Lisbon. We are in our test environment. Okay, so look at this column. Okay, and you can see that there is this tour operator. Okay, this tour operator, and this tour operator. In our test environment, we have 3 tour operators. Let's look at each one of them. Test tour operator headquarters are where are the headquarters? Okay, Spain. So they offer tours in Lisbon, but they are in Spain. And this the name already says that in Lisbon. Let's look at this one. This one should be in Algarve, south of Portugal, but they are offering tours in Lisbon. Let's look at it. So it is in Albufeira, that is in Algarve, in Portugal. Okay, so to find out which tour operators offers tours in a region, you not only have to look at the ones that have their region as their town, okay, Lisbon, but instead you have to look here and cross-check with the previous table that we've shown you. Okay, thank you, and until next video.